Hey, kia ora whānau. Welcome back to Kaitaki Marakai, Backyard Gardens here in Northland. I am on MATOA Mahinga Kai project, and this is a papakainga where a number of whānau live on the land, and we're trying to build up our garden capabilities and food security and sustainabilities. Just wanted to I'll just do a bit of a, as I move around, bit of a look around what's happening for us and the lessons that we learnt. And maybe I'll take my hat off. Oh, my, it's too hot. Hoi anō. Lessons that we learned this year. So we started this back in August. We've got a bit of kumara in here. We had some potatoes and piripiru. Tomatoes grew well here. And, oh sorry, I spun around. And in the background over here we had lettuces under the tree line. Key issue that we have on this site. My hat looks funny. We don't have water. So summertime, water was a problem for us. So we've got to find a solution for that. One of the things we're looking at doing is building a garden germinating space over here, and they can have a lean-to on it and water catchment. The other solution that we already have started is down the back behind me is swales, and we're going to be planting out a food forest over here. So that's going to probably be the main activity that we're going to do for autumn this year, is putting in a food forest and start that process going, because once the trees start holding and growing, they'll also hold water. We're here today to really just go along and you see the grass is growing. All we're doing is just cutting it and letting it drop and effectively creating a mulch and just to build up the soil space, because as you can see by the soil just here, all that, it's predominantly clay. So we need to build the health of that. It grew potatoes, but that's pretty tough in regards to what we're trying to grow. So yeah, whānau, water solution is a big thing that we're doing here, thinking about that, composting, building up the health of the soil. And so with our swales, we're going to build a food forest and think about the tree line, and we're going to work in here. But in this open land, in this portafita that I'm standing in, we've got to be more creative around our food security and sustainability solutions for this site. So it's a work in progress. It's going to take a while for us. I'm expecting this site here to be a 5-year project to get it up, get the trees growing and producing fruit. So we want to create canopies, layers of canopies, ground vegetation, bushes for berries and so forth, down that area here. So it's going to be a little while, but all this stuff that you see on the ground now, that can be all cut back and lays down like mulch on the soil, and it just keeps breaking down over time. I had a talk to someone today who's got a farm, and they've got a lot of manure and composted cow poop and all that type of stuff. So we're going to probably grab that and get that chucked on here, and we're just going to build up the health of the soil. Yep, that's what we're up to today, and boys and I are just here just to cut things back, let them fall, just tidy up around the place, and I'll do a little bit of work over this side over here to see what the kumara is like, and if it's okay we might harvest it. But it's good to be on the land, good to be thinking about soil, thinking about food, thinking about trees, foliage, canopies, and I can see it now. We have this canopy of fauna and flora and rongoa Māori and vegetables and fruit all growing around. Just be awesome. Anyway, that's the noise that we need to get into work, and so yeah. Alright, ka kite. Hey, we come out here on Wednesdays, so from 11 o'clock through to 1500, 3 o'clock. If you're available, come and join us and just do one angering together. Okay, hei kona.